Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable Audible audio description on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now here in the accessibility menu, simply scroll down until you find the option labeled as audio description, and once you have located it, just tap on it. Now here you'll see toggle switch next to audio description. So to enable it, you just have to toggle on that option, and to disable it, you just have to toggle off that option. And that's it. Now you have learned how to enable or disable audio description on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.